Okay, I really want to talk about the stock. It's ORIS. I'll call it Oris. Oriental Rise Holdings Limited. So I made a Reddit post about this stock because I really think this one has potential to really squeeze. It has 94% 94% short interest. So I'll pull it up here on FinViz really quick to show you this. But yeah, so 94% short, and there's only 3.21 million shares available float. The rest of the shares outstanding are, I'm assuming they're locked up from the IPO, locked up shares. So it has a tiny, tiny float, very tiny float. Will be easy to squeeze, in my opinion. So especially because it's undervalued just based on the balance sheet alone. Um, so looking at my Reddit post, I'll just kind of cover a couple points, but basically, yeah, the market cap is 3.6 million. It has a low float and high short interest. Um, uh, this stock should be valued on paper at least $70 million in market cap, solely based on the equity in the company. The company is valued a little over $70 million, but the current market cap is at $3 million. They nearly have zero debt. They are profitable. They have positive operating cash flows and positive free cash flows. And then just for the meme factor of this, it's a small company with 69 employees, and that is what I see online. So you have meme factor 69, you have short squeeze potential, and you have a value play at hand. We have a value play with this tea company. Um, and so it's just undervalued because of the strong balance sheet, even though, yes, it's a tiny company. That doesn't take away the fact that it's undervalued. So the cons here, right? Here's my only gripe, is that since it is trading under a dollar, that is a NASDAQ requirement to stay listed on the exchange. And so as of June 30th, they received a deficiency notice from NASDAQ, basically because, yeah, the stock did maintain a minimum bid price of a dollar per share. So with that, they have 180 days to regain compliance, which would put them at right here, December 29th, 2025, to regain compliance. That gives us a couple months to potentially short squeeze, right? So I think it can happen. I think it is likely, especially as we gain momentum online, and if we can build some Reddit momentum, it deserves it. The stock has gotten beaten down. My take here, I put my TLDR. I think it doesn't deserve to be shorted to the ground by Wall Street. The company just doesn't have a quote unquote growth story year over year, and I think Wall Street took advantage by shorting the fuck out of it. And that this stock should be valued at least 10x higher, which is true. I mean, just based on the balance sheet of the company alone, it's a solid company. And so, yeah, the fundamentals are solid. And I put here, be early because this thing is going to fly. And I truly believe that. I think this company is solid. No reason why it can't. If you look back in time, so this thing just absolutely got obliterated, shorted, right? So, but IPO'd, and since there's the float is so tiny, I mean, it was easy to make this thing moon. I mean, look at this. This thing went up to $56 a share. Before then, just, like that's unreasonable. It should not be valued. It should not be valued more than even $6. But that's just excessive. And reason being is, I think, simply because of the float, right? There's just not a lot of shares in the market to buy, and it caused that major squeeze. But then, of course, it didn't deserve that valuation. That was way overpriced, and the market saw that and shorted the shit out of the stock. So, yeah. Anyway, I think between $1 to $3 is likely to happen. I think that's where fair value is with this company, given the balance sheet. This is just criminally undervalued. So at $14, $15 a share, even at 15 cents, 14 cents, 15 cents per share is way undervalued. I think at a minimum, we should see 50 cents per share Yeah, to properly price this, it needs to be between $1 to $3 per share, simply based on the fundamentals of the company. I think this one's again a value play. I really think you should know what you own. Don't sell your shares to the shorts. Just hold strong and accumulate and accumulate and accumulate. I really think this one can pay off. I really do. So I think I'll start buying some more now. I just threw in 12 grand today, so I bought 12 grand. I'm already down on it a little bit. Do I care? No, because I like the stock. So um, yeah, just wanted to share, put this on the map, and hopefully this thing can start a nice little rally here soon. And I really think it will. I think it'll gain some momentum. So thanks.